Mesa, Arizona.
Looks like me and you. You take that whole bitch, bro.
Right, you take the whole fucking dude, bro.
Holy fuck, man.
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Man was like,
edition.
fuck it, bro.
Yeah, like, yeah, what's the lower?
Oh, hell no.
West Des Moines, Iowa. Check out this
Oh
clown.
my god, I would take the fucking table too.
Snatches all the candy and runs off to his car. Hey, trick-or-treating is for kids.
It wasn't stolen when you're giving it away.
Los Angeles, California. Check her out.
Fuck.
I don't think she's looking for candy.
Why are you on my porch?
Oh my god, even she got scared.
Get away from my house, please. Thank you very much.